BrorFredrik coming at you with another glorious 4K video. I just finished up a shoot at Aria, part of Christmas 2021, and I do have to walk back to Planet Hollywood. So I figured I'd take everyone along for the walk. We're gonna walk through the shops at Crystal's. We'll see some of their Christmas displays. And we'll just take in the sights and sounds of Las Vegas. It is an absolutely beautiful night tonight. About 65 degrees. It's about 7:30 on a Friday night. So let's go have a walk along the Las Vegas Strip and through the mall here and see what we can see. If you're new to the channel, I invite you to like, share, subscribe, and of course hit the bell button to get notified when I do this again, which is 2 to 3 times a week. And hit the bell button to get notified when that happens. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can go ahead and do that with Patreon, channel membership, or click on any of the links in the description below. And I'm gonna keep the narration to an absolute minimum. And I hope you enjoy the glorious 4K. I want you to feel like you're walking along with me. So let's go. I don't know if I'm exactly thrilled about this style Christmas tree. Different. That's all right. This is more my speed. Okay, time to get your walking shoes on. Let's do it. behind this wall is the new Project 63. It's been under construction for months now. Maybe I'll post a picture of it about right now. Well, the architect rendition of it. I never get tired of this view. That's Veer Tower.
This is why I love capitalism. The example of Vegas, there's so many options and it's fucking amazing.
He said it's effing amazing. Yes, it is.
Guys, can anyone please spare 60 cents? What was it? Monte Carlo. Looked like a dollar. There's an influencer. That was an icing. In due time. Hey, yo, you don't even want. Where we go? We gotta go down.
I mean, I did have 2 packages that were scheduled.
If you've never tried Illy Cafe and you're a coffee lover, you're missing out.
That's just our two. He's like, no, that's all y'all. I was like, what? I didn't.
It's all right. 20 years.
Yes, it's been over 25.
Middle age. Guys, wanna go motorboat city? No motorboat tonight?
Sorry. 20 years.
Yes, a bit over 25.
Middle East.
Go motorboat today? No motorboat tonight?
Well, we made it. That was a quick walk. All of, what was that, 10 minutes? That we made excellent time. You can see the strip is starting to get a little busier, which is pretty awesome to see. I don't even know who or what they are, but everyone else seems to. What do I know? This guy's about to beat on his spackle buckets. So I hope you enjoyed that walk. And again, I invite you to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button to get notified when I drop another video, especially these glorious 4Ks. And of course, I go live 2, 3, 4 times a week even. So hit the bell button. And check out any of the links in the description below. And on that note, BrorFredrik out.